Yeah, hello. Yeah, so I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name's remain the same. I'm Kenny Rhymes and I'm the co-founder of Frando Technology Company. Yeah, so I welcome you all to your fresh and new episode on my humble and noble platform. Yeah, so today I'm about to introduce a new crypto arbitrage for my Nigerian followers because recently they have been telling me that, oh, bro, you are always doing Ghana. So do Nigeria. So since Binance is banned in Nigeria, I have to use Bybit. Yeah, so I'll be showing you how you can buy it at the low rate on Bybit and sell it at the higher rate on Paxful or Remitano. Yeah, so if you love my tutorials, please make sure that you subscribe and share to your friends. Yeah, so we'll be using Bybit and Remitano or Paxful for this arbitrage. Yeah. So one thing about arbitrage is that you buy it at low price on one platform and sell it at higher price on another platform. But there are a lot of risk involved in arbitrage. That's why we say every business have risk and there's risk taking. But if you get a good mentor, someone who will mentor you, I'm not saying that I have to mentor you. You can have a person who also trade crypto, who know much about arbitrage, and the person can also guide you, not only me per se. You said that then? Yeah, but it's good for you to get a mentor than you watching just videos and trying to start it. No. Yeah. So yeah, so this is how we'll be doing it. First of all, we have to create a Bybit account. And if you don't have Bybit account, I will leave the link in the description. You can click on it and register account on Bybit. Yeah. So after register account on Bybit, then you verify your account. So when you verify your account, you see something like this. So because you are new to this thing, it means that your account is worth zero. You don't have anything in your account, so you need money inside. So you go to your assets. If you go to your assets, this is how your assets looks like. Yeah, or you can even come to home and go to more. So when you go to more, then you search for P2P. You can search P2P here, or you can see P2P here. Then you choose P2P. So when it comes to the P2P market, right now you are here to buy USDT or Bitcoin. You see, so let's use Bitcoin. Let's use Bitcoin arbitrage. Yeah. So I'm doing this with crypto and what and naira. Yeah. So since you're in Nigeria, since I'm in Nigeria, I will choose naira. I'll choose naira. So I'll choose naira. Yeah. So this is my naira platform. Yeah. So it means that I'll be buying money over here. I'll be buying BTC over here. So I'll switch to what? BTC. Yeah, I'll switch to BTC. So this is my BTC account. And this is my BTC P2P. So I'm here to buy BTC with us naira. So when I open it and I'll search for the money in my wallet. So let's assume that you have 5,000 naira. you can do trade with this person, but you can't do the trade with this person. The reason is that the person received money. The limit of the money the person is ready to sell it is from 10,000 towards 182.70k naira. So it means that if you have 5,000, you can't do trade with this person, but you can rather do trade with this person. Yeah, I've written it. Yeah, so you can choose any one you want. So let's say I have 100,000 naira to do the trade. So let me go to buy here and enter 100,000 naira. So let me write this down because I was doing one for Ghanaian and I made a mistake about the figures and people thought I intentionally do it. So let me write this down. So for me to spend 100,000 naira, I'll be getting 0.001110212. Is that thing? So that means I'm spending what? 100,000, and this is the amount I'll be getting. And I bought it at the rate of what? I bought the BTC at the rate of what? 90.73 million naira. That's the rate I bought it. So if you don't understand, let me show you. Let me teach you. So right now, if I want one BTC, I have to spend 90 million. You see that thing? Yeah, if I want one BTC, I have to spend 90.73 million naira. But since I don't have 90.73 million naira, I can buy any amount I want with the rate of 90.73. So it means that before I can make profits, unless I am selling my BTC at the higher rate, let's say like 100 million naira or 120 million naira. I hope you get it. Yeah, I bought it at the rate of 90.73 million naira. Yeah, and I spent 100,000 for the BTC and I got 0.00110212. So before I will set this, I have to set this thing and get more money than the money I spent on the BTC. So after buying this thing, when I go to my assets, my BTC, you see that my BTC it will load up. You see that it will load up. My BTC will load up and you see everything. So this where you can hide your assets and everything here. But this one, I'm just using this account for tutorials. Yeah. So after doing this thing, right now I have BTC in my accounts. Watch this very carefully. I have BTC in my accounts. So right now, I have to transfer this BTC to, let's say, Paxful. One thing about Paxful is that you have to be vigilant. That's why I said you need a good mentor or you'll be scammed. A lot of people that are selling it higher, you may fall for it and you'll be scammed. That is why I said that finding a mentor can guide you. Because me teaching you this, I also have academy where I teach people. So it's not every trick that I will show you. Some tricks are for paid students. Yeah, so get it very carefully. That's why I'm saying it. That if you don't be vigilant, you may be scammed. So after getting your BTC, then you withdraw the BTC. You withdraw your BTC. So you withdraw your BTC from this place to what? To Paxful. So before you can do it, you have to go to your Paxful account. Then you go to your wallet. Then you go to what? Receive BTC. So it means that I'm receiving what? They say BTC is not available. Their blockchain is misbehaving. So you like follow what I'm saying. You go to your receive. It's still not available. Let me see this. USD is available, but it's not available. I don't know, but it will come. Yeah. So you go to your receive. Yeah, you receive. So after receiving, you can let me use the USDC to do. It's the same. So you choose one, then you choose the network. Then you choose the address. You copy the address here. You see that thing. Then you come to the platform. Then you paste the address over here. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. You see, so the amount I had in my account was 0.00110212. You see, that's the amount I had in my account. So I'll transfer this amount towards to Paxful. So when I come to Paxful, you see that the money will reflect in your BTC account. Then you go to your marketplace. Then you choose BTC and you choose what? Sell. So you are here to sell the BTC. How we get it? You are here to what? To sell the BTC. So that's what I was telling you, that you have to what? Be in a trade with what? Someone who is willing to what? Buy the BTC at a higher rate. At a higher rate. So let me show you something. If I jump with this thing, with this guy, the filter, let me choose Nigeria. Nigeria. So since I'm in Ghana, that's why it's in Ghana, but I have to choose Nigeria, and the currency, I have to choose Naira. So that we can feel the Nigerian vibe. Yeah. So you see, I bought the BTC at the rate of what? 90.73 million on Bybit. So before I can sell it, I have to sell it higher. You see, this person is selling it at the rate of what? 88,600,000 and 053.12 naira. So if I do trade with this person, it means that I am losing money because I bought it at the rate of what? 90.73. So I have to search for person who is willing to buy it higher than 90.73. So I'll search. You see, this person is willing to buy it at the rate of what? 167 million. But the person is receiving the money in the game items. So if you have that, you can do it. And this person is receiving it okay pay. This one too, people always use it. And Rice Pay too is common in Nigeria. So let's jump straight with Rice Pay. So when you want to do trade with someone, first of all, there are 5 things that you have to consider before doing trade with that person. I will show you one, and I will show you another one that you will do and you will want to lose your money. The rest, if you contact me to be in a paid mentorship, I will show you everything. So when you want to do a trade with someone, first of all, the person is receiving Rice Pay. This person, the offer items, the offer things it's not suitable for me. No, so I'll not do trade with this person. And the feedback, the person have only 10 feedback. No, I will not do trade with this person. And one thing that you have to consider is that when you are doing the trade and the buyer sends you a link, that you have to link your Paxful account to this account, don't do it. They generate the link on their own. So when you are trying to link it, the password and everything that you put over there, they will see it and they will drop your account. You will end up losing all your money. So when they send you some link, don't click on it, because every transaction is done on the platform, no link. So I'll tell you this thing. The rest, chat me, I'll show you. So I'll tell the buyer that he said, how much do you want to sell? So you remember I bought 0.00110 So, and I spent 100,000 on this. So me selling this thing to this buyer, I'm getting 78,428 naira as what profit. I'm getting 78,428 naira as profit. Is that right thing? Yeah. So I can even go down and see more. So this person is Eversend. Eversend, this is how Eversend looks like. This is my Eversend app. Is that right thing? Yeah. So this one too, it doesn't hear any link here. Yeah. So you just click on Eversend app. Then you enter the Bitcoin you want to sell. So you have 0.0011212. So you'll be getting 178,000. So it means that you have profits of 78,000 plus. Is that right then? Yeah. And this person term is what? Provide details, confirm payments, and release. Provide details, confirm payments, and release. So it means that you just provide your details. So let's say if you're using Eversend, you send the Eversend details to them. Yeah. And when you confirm that you have received the money, then you release the coin. Don't click on any link. If you click on any link and they will tell you that you have to link your Paxful to blah 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 blah, and you follow it, you may end up losing your money. You may end up losing your money. That's why I said that there are 5 things that you have to consider before you also start trading. And these 5 things I've already shown you 2. I already show you 2, and there are a lot, let's say 4 things that I'll also teach you if you become a paid student. Because doing this arbitrage is very simple, but if you are not wise and you don't have good mentor, you may end up losing money. Is that right? Yeah. So if you sell this thing, you will get 78,428 naira as profit, and that is how it is. You see that thing? That's how it is. So when you get your money, then you can withdraw it. Yeah, I said don't click on any link. Don't click on any link or try to link your Paxful account to anything, or you may end up losing your money. I know what I'm saying. Okay, so this is how you do your Bitcoin arbitrage with Bybit and Paxful, and make 10 times profit from it if you're in Nigeria. Yeah. So thank you for watching me, and please, if you love this thing, subscribe, or if you are following me from TikTok, follow me, and let's vibe. Thank you for watching me, and I'm out.